Welcome back everyone. Make sure you're following me over on Twitter because unfortunately I haven't made any Kaspa updates the last few days, but I was making some Twitter posts. So my Twitter is Louis_crypto with the blue tick. Make sure I have the blue tick, 2.5k followers, and we are doing a giveaway when we hit 8k on the channel, under 100 subs away. So yeah, enter that. And just heading to the Kaspa update from yesterday over on the Twitter, we were suggesting after this move up from this final support that we would have a potential to go ahead and invalidate this further downward target, because that's what Kaspa is actually trying to do. It's trying to head lower, but while we are holding these wicks over here, a newly formed wick in the last week, we have the opportunity to pump to the 1 fib level. If we can break through that, it's then the 0.5 fib level afterwards, and this is what we're going to run through in today's update. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share, and enjoy today's video. How's it going everyone? Louis Crypto back with another Kaspa update. We are still at that final level of support, although in my last video we were suggesting that on this pump back up into this area we had been flipping it into support. We rejected it as resistance, but then we came down with this green candle is rejecting the support, so confirming that it is, but we must see a breakout. Unfortunately we didn't get a break of the green candle, push through it, so we didn't make a higher high here. And then if we ever lose this blue box as well as the wick, we have of course returned back down to this previous resistance, which is acting as our final layer of support. Why? Because when we put in a new high, we put in the swing low. So swing high and swing low. And if we continue and top out, this is considered the new swing high. So when that is completed, we fall back to the old swing high as a new swing low. So the correction can be done, guys. However, we've always been preparing for one last dump. Why? Because we are meant to, after forming this new swing high, fall back to the old one as a new swing low. However, if this is ever lost, we fall back to the swing low beforehand. So we would have another dump back down to here. The 200 EMA holds the uptrend, so you're fine in coming down, but just need to reclaim all those levels, especially 13 cent if we want to see 25 cent. And guys, please understand, when we're saying we need to break 13 cent for 25 cent, it means right now we're not on a bullish path. We are not on a bullish path. We're trying to, of course, bottom out and go back on that bullish path. But if we ever want to see a break of this high, if we ever want to see 25 cent, 13 cent needs to be reclaimed. And so until the moment we're reclaiming that level, there's no guarantee we're going to break the high right now. You know, we can still pump into there. That's not a reclaim, that's pumping into there. So you could still get rejected as resistance and continue lower. We're not in the clear until 13 cents is reclaimed. So please understand, until that moment, everything can go wrong. However, I'm going to prepare you with all the scenarios from this level of support that we are at right now. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share. And when we hit 8k subscribers, I'm giving away prizes to 2 people. One will win my ebook for free. The other will win 30 minutes of one-to-one mentorship for free. Just use the links down below, head over to my Twitter and just enter the giveaway over there. So heading back into the update, let's just start off with the bearish scenario, because we know we're not going to be breaking this high over here and then heading to 25 cent unless the reclaim of the 0.5 fib level. As when we measure this fib from there to there, this is the level of support on the 20 moving average we're meant to continue. As you can see, we've used it as resistance multiple times, but failing to lose this previous resistance that's now support, the final target out of the first set over here. Then we have a second set that all still remains valid underneath 13 cent. So there's still big possibility of coming down there, although as explained earlier, it doesn't need to happen. But okay, if we don't want it to happen, then we know what needs to of course occur, and that's a reclaim of the 0.5 fib at 13 cent. So yes, the downside scenario is that if we fail to break out one more time, we're just going to get a lower high over here, flip this into resistance and start dumping into this set of 3 targets over here between 7.8 and 8.8 cent. However, as we are at our final level of support, creating this wick over here, in fact creating a new wick over the past week, these are the levels that we need to lose in order to get that continuation. And while they are still holding, we've got higher lows, so potential for a breakout. Whether it takes the opportunity, it's down to Kaspa. Of course, I have DCA'd at this level as well as here, So I've already picked some up, and if we get down even lower, incredible optimal entry points as long as the 200 EMA holds, because we consider this the bottom of our uptrend while price action is above the 200 EMA. So any dumps into it should be bullish, and that if we ever do get down to it exactly, which it does not have to, by the way, we're just trying to find bullish indications that might appear before this point, because price action above it is bullish. Bullish meaning uptrend, uptrend meaning higher highs and higher lows. So a higher high above this point. And of course, if this is our last low, above this point, and the 200 EMA is nicely in line with it. So it's saying that we are allowed to come down to there, but must reclaim all those key levels for the bullish continuation. We do not have to continue down to there as long as these 2 wicks hold, because we are just trying to find bullish patterns, indications that might show the turnaround before meeting this level. So are there any previous resistance and supports here? Yes. Have we lost them? No. So it's going to give us this opportunity to continue with the uptrend just as we did from here, but we need to take out the moving averages. As we were coming into it for the first time, let's now hold this as support, break through the moving averages, and start this journey back up to the 0.5 Fibonacci. I've got 2 separate arrows here because first it's a journey back to the 1 Fib level. This is resistance, so expect the dump from here, and then to the 0.5 Fibonacci. So we know that breaking through 11.5% and reclaiming our low over here would take us back up to the 0.5. But for now, as the 1618 is holding, this wick holds around 9.5 cent and 9.25 cent. Then we have the opportunity to pump to the 1 Fib level, and then of course creating a higher low above this point, maybe just on this resistance now support. And then once the 1 Fib level at 11.5 cent is reclaimed, it's onwards and upwards to 13 cent. Guys, that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And remember, we have a giveaway at the moment, and during this period, there are discounts on my course and mentorship. If you want help getting into other coins, maybe even sub 1 billion market cap, then we have over 2025 in the Discord community. You can gain free access for 2 months through the course, which is down to 99 at the moment, and including 30 videos and 5 hours long. You get 2 months in the chat where we do Tuesday and Thursday group mentorship, and you have access to my long list of portfolio of cryptos in my portfolio. I've also got another option where we can do mentorship, 3 hours, 5 hours, or 10 hours. It's down to you. You get my course and 2 months free in the chat included on top of your 3, 5, or 10 hours. And the slots are underneath the book this part to know how many are available. So a lot of people are taking action on the half plan, which is 5 hours plus 2 months of Discord plus the course to fall back on for free. And yeah, there's only 2 slots, and once these slots are done for, they return back to the original price. So use the most out of this opportunity. Cheers everyone.